Word from Rohit about Rohit. It was long waiting, many would say. Tejasvi himself was waiting for this announcement. Finally, this announcement has happened. What do you think changes from now?
Yes, Maria, let me tell you, Tejasvi Yadav unilaterally on many occasions has said that, okay, if the Congress is not announcing it, let it be, but I am the CM face of the Mahagathbandhan. But that was not being endorsed by Rahul Gandhi or the Congress party. So that was creating some sort of a confusion also in the Mahagathbandhan, whether Tejasvi Yadav had the backing of the Congress and other alliance partners or not. And remember, when the seat sharing talks were going on, seat distribution talks were going on in the Mahagathbandhan, it was almost like a deadlock that reached between the RJD and the Congress party, because of which we saw that almost on a dozen seats there was a fight between the Mahagathbandhan versus Mahagathbandhan, and 6 seats were such where RJD was pitted against the Congress party. So that was not sending out a very right message, and that is when in fact Ashok Gehlot was sent as an emissary from the Congress top brass to Patna yesterday, and he held negotiations with Lalu Prasad and Tejasvi Yadav and tried to iron out all the differences, following which finally I must say that the Congress party relented, and today there was a Mahagathbandhan press conference which was called, and finally Ashok Gehlot, that's the Congress leader, declared Tejasvi Yadav as the CM face of the Mahagathbandhan and Mukesh Sahni as the deputy CM face. So finally the Congress also thought that okay, Tejasvi Yadav was important for the Mahagathbandhan, and it's almost only 13 days left for the first phase of polling to start. And before that, we saw today finally Congress relenting and declaring Tejasvi Yadav as the CM face.
So what has been the role of Rahul Gandhi in particular? I'm going to ask that question because we are being told that Rahul Gandhi made multiple calls to Ashok Gehlot and also the Congress in charge of Bihar, Krishna Alavaru, to sort out lot of differences. Has the Mahagathbandhan now moved from confusion to cohesion? Question number 1. Second question is that in a hyper-local election, what does a chief ministerial candidate announcement really do in this chessboard of Bihar? I'm going to ask all those questions to the panelists who are joining us here at Bihar Assembly. But first up, a quick wrap up of all that happened today.
Amid swirling whispers of cracks and chaos, the Mahagathbandhan leaders staged a show of unity in Patna, and the spotlight shone squarely on Tejasvi Yadav. The Congress party's Bihar observer Ashok Gehlot declared Tejasvi the undisputed chief ministerial face of the alliance.
ये कह सकता हूँ खड़गे साहब, राहुल गांधी जी और तमाम जो साथी बैठे हमारे, इन सब की राय लेकर के हम लोगों ने तय किया है इस चुनाव में अगले मुख्यमंत्री चेहरे के रूप में तेजस्वी यादव जी को हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Alongside him, Mukesh Sahni emerged as the deputy CM pick, with promises of more deputy CMs from key caste groups, a clear power play to lock down EBC and Nishad votes.
में सबकी राय बनी है कि जो हमारे अन्य पिछड़ा वर्ग के साथी हैं, मुकेश सहनी जी, जिनको आप सब जानते हैं, मुकेश सहनी जी, वो उप मुख्यमंत्री होंगे साथ में.
Notably absent was Rahul Gandhi, leaving Gehlot to do the honours. Amid rumours of rift, Tejasvi showered thanks on the Gandhis and Mallikarjun Kharge for their support.
हम आदरणीय लालू जी का, राबड़ी देवी जी का, मैडम सोनिया गांधी जी का, राहुल गांधी जी का, खरगे साहब जी का, प्रियंका गांधी जी का हम दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं कि सभी महागठबंधन के साथियों ने मुझ पर पुनः भरोसा जताया है.
Tejasvi fired a sharp salvo at the BJP, accusing the NDA of sidelining Nitish Kumar by refusing to name him as a CM face, calling it outright unfair.
नीतीश जी के साथ जो है, जो अन्याय हो रहा है एनडीए में, एक बार भी कोई भी जॉइंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस जो है नहीं की गई है और ना ही ऑफिशियली रूप से मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा घोषित किया गया है।
Even Deputy CM pick Mukesh Sahni didn't hold back from attacking the NDA.
मैं पिछले 11 साल से मैं संघर्ष कर रहा हूं और संघर्ष के बदौलत मैं इस मुकाम तक मैं पहुंचा हूं। मेरा काम पे ही हमें आज डिप्टी सीएम का नाम का चेहरा का घोषणा हुआ। अगर हम काम नहीं करते तो शायद हमारा पहचान नहीं होता।
The BJP hit back, unleashing a fierce attack on Tejaswi and his family for their alleged role in multiple Lalu-era scams, fodder, IRCTC and the explosive Land for Jobs scandal.
क्या था 15 साल लालू जी का राज? और ये जो अभी नया नेता जिन्हें घोषित किया गया, इनकी पार्टी, इसमें विनाश ही विनाश है। इस बात को आप समझ लीजिए। बिहार का विनाश होता है, इसको समझ लीजिए।
तेजस्वी बाबू को उनका दावा किया गया है तो कहते मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया। तो मैं उनसे पूछूंगा उस समय आपका मुख्यमंत्री कौन था? डिप्टी सीएम तो आप थे ना। तो आप किस बिना पर दावा कर रहे हैं? आपके भ्रष्टाचार को देखकर नीतीश कुमार आपसे अलग हुए।
The Mahagathbandhan has finally got its team in place at the 11th hour, but still faces many friendly fights with the last day of nomination withdrawals ending today. Bureau Report, India Today.